Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Lovable and Webflow to see which one is better. So I have here a quick text with a summary and best use case. We're gonna take a look at this. So we're gonna start with Lovable, which is ideal for those without coding experience who want to quickly build and deploy web applications using AI. It's particularly suited for rapid prototyping and MVP development. Webflow, best for designers and agencies looking for a powerful visual platform to create and manage websites with advanced customization and collaboration tools. Best use case, so lovable for non-developers and entrepreneurs seeking to bring the app ideas to life without writing code, and Webflow for designers and teams needing a robust platforms for creating and managing complex websites. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.